Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another interesting product. This is from Danalock.com. We reviewed Danalock a number of times over the years. This is their Danalock version 3 or Danalock V3. They also sent their Danapad V3 to take and review along with it. This is pretty interesting. It's got, they basically sent us the lock unit and the pad where you can code in to get into the unit. The one they sent us works off of Z-Wave Plus. This will also work with Apple HomeKit, Bluetooth, Zigbee, Alarm.com, and SmartThings. So depending upon what sort of hub you have, etc., it will take and integrate with those. You just have to buy the right model, I guess. Fairly expensive for what you're getting out of it. It's got an interesting design to it that I suppose you could say is, it's something you might like when it comes down to it. It's got some interesting products and features on it as well. It's got automatic unlock so that it will detect your arrival and lock the door for you based upon your mobile device. It's got flexible access control where you can grant access to others or bridge your Danalock V3 so you can lock, unlock, and monitor from anywhere. It's got long-lasting battery life, has an average battery lifetime of 12 plus months depending upon daily use, and the battery status is easily viewed in the app. It comes with an app, of course, that you can take and use. You can take and set up locks, digital keys for family members, friends, guests, housekeepers, contractors, all those things. You can program access level entry, choosing permanent or temporary, set up alerts so you can know when someone is coming in or leaving, all that sort of good stuff. Don't have to worry about keys and all that neo stuff as well. One thing that's interesting that this has that I don't see on any of their products so far, it has what they call twist assist, and it's got a motorized locking assistance. So when you turn it either way, either to unlock it or to lock it, all you do is have to give it just a little bit of a twist and it will finish the twist for you. It's kind of interesting. Just a little bit of pressure, you'll see in the video, and it goes ahead and finishes the job for you. I think that's pretty brilliant when it comes down to it. Kind of saves you from, fighting with the lock and all that sort of good stuff. I've had other locks that we have that are automated where it's quite the work out to take and turn it. So it kind of helps unlock and unlock it for you. They do claim it has some interesting Danish design. I'm not really a fan of the design. It feels more custodial to me, but if you like this look, then that's your look, and you like the Danish look, so I'm not going to knock it. It does look very clean and sleek when it comes down to it with the anodized aluminum. That's not only a scratch-free surface, but it's got the finish on it. It's kind of simple, sleek, futuristic look that they put into it. I'm not a big fan. I put on my garage door instead of my front door, but there are some people that do like this design, so this appeals to you, then good for you. You can fit it with pretty much any standard door. You just put it on the lock part for the deadbolt, and away you go. It uses advanced encryption for transferring the data, AES 256, and it's protected by advanced security protocols. Digital keys that authenticate the Danalock are stored on an HSM chip that ensures all keys are exchanged without any private information leaving the chip. So that's pretty good as well. It's got a smart home enabler where you can trigger the smart home commands when you enter or leave your home, so you can get interoperability with the cornerstone of the Dana products, and pretty flexible on this platform when it comes down to it and integrations. Like I said, you can use this on several different home automation protocols, whether it be Apple HomeKit, Alarm.com, SmartThings, Z-Wave Plus, and Zigbee. You've just got to make sure you get the right model for them, to my understanding, and you can take and do that. I was very impressed with the product. Took me a second to get everything working, but other than that, it works pretty good once you get up there. It's a little expensive for my taste for the features that it takes and does, the look and everything. I certainly like other products that are on the marketplace better, especially for the same price point that you can get with this. But, there are people that this Danalock Danish look, if you will, are going to appeal to, and I can't blame them. Everyone's got a different sort of taste when it comes to the look and finish that they want to have in our things. I think it's a very worthwhile product, and if you want to check it out, you can go to Danalock.com. I'd recommend it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.